failed abortion. No one loves you.
Anyway, so you can't control.
Like, no one loves you, bro. Like, I'm actually serious. No one loves you.
And that way you don't have a
Scream,
girlfriend.
you want to play minigames every single time.
I don't.
Like, holy
no.
shit. That's so fucked up.
How do I get out?
By the way, I don't. And I hate me.
Bro, yes the fuck you do. Like, actually,
No,
yes
I
the
don't.
fuck you do. Yes,
No, I
you do,
don't.
bro. You're literally a fucking little bitch.
What's that?
And that way you have a girlfriend.
I forgot it.
Because you bully everybody.
Who cares if I don't have a girlfriend? I don't even need a girlfriend, bro. At least he has a mom, though. I don't even need a girlfriend. You should not be talking because you're 7 years old and he can't for you. Like, oh my god, shut the fuck up.
You can't even do better.
Who cares about your failed abortion?
Oh crap.
Stop talking. Oh my god.
Yeah, you did. You were the last one. Hey, headphones. You were the last one. Good job.
I'm a normal monkey.
On you.
My god.
Yeah. Since I see you pretty good, I wanted to win the game for you.
Hey, he's facing you. Oh, never mind. He fell.
No, I didn't fall. I crashed my
Is that an apple?
Oh, I got myself too.
How do you scale a tree?
Great question.
Hi.
Dang.
That's how.
Just scale.
Just scale it.
You're just scaling. That's how.
Green.
No.
Oh crap! Clutch like that. Holy!
I got turkey.
Yes, it fell.
Okay, let's go.
Time to cook on rounds again, boy. Wow.
Gotcha.
Be the last one standing.
For some reason,
Wait, I did actually.
yo, set me on fire. Set me on fire. This monkey is on
If one of us
fire.
dies, we